Okay, this is an old deck where the joists were bad, and this tongue and groove pine was on the deck, which I've never seen before, which was totally unacceptable. Got in there and took up all of the tongue and groove going across the deck, 12 feet by 17 feet. The joists were all bad, so I had to replace the joists down here and the fascia board. And so this is what I got up from the deck, a bunch of these old tongue and groove pine boards, and replaced all the joists down here. Now I am using recycled wood here that I have taken off of other decks. It is not pine, it is the redwood. It's insufficient enough, good enough shape that I'm reusing it, and I'm going to take a drum sander and resand it all and finish it, and then it'll look fantastic with a stain on it. So that's what we're at now. Okay, on this part of the deck, which is still the tongue and groove pine wood, which isn't the greatest thing to use outside, but this is still all right. You see how it's weathered so much here and dried out and checked and cracked from moisture, rain, the sun beating on it. And this is just a small area here, probably a 6x4, that I think can be sanded down and will be fine. As you go on over, you notice that there's the paint or stain over here where it's more solid. All the rest of the deck is just solid stain, so we're going to take the 8-inch drum sander and run all this down, strip off all this paint or stain, whatever's on here, take it down at least a 1/16 of an inch or more. We use a 36 grit when we start to just rip on it, and then I go to 100 or 120 grit to smooth it out. And that's how we prep up the wood to get it down for a new finish.